ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. I meditate upon the Lord Ganesha, who is clad in white garment, who is pervading, who is as bright colored as moon, who has a smiling face, having 4 shoulders, and who is the remover of obstacles. Dhyanam Sindhurarunavigraham Trinayanam Manikya तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोद्बलं बिप्रदीं सौम्यां रत्नगडस्थरत्नचरणां ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. May we meditate on the Divine Mother, whose body has the red hue of vermilion, who has 3 eyes, who wears a beautiful crown studded with rubies, who is adorned with a crescent moon, whose face sports beautiful smile indicating compassion, who has beautiful limbs, whose hands hold a jewel-studded golden vessel filled with nectar, and in the other a red lotus flower. अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिदाक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पपाणचापाम् अनिमादिपिरावृधां मयोगैरहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्. I meditate on the great Empress. She is red in color, and her eyes are full of compassion, and holds the nose, the good, the bow, and the flowery arrow in her hands. She is surrounded on all sides by powers such as anima for race, and she is the self within me. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्तां विकसितवदनां पद्मभद्राय दाक्षीं हेमाम्बां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्हेमपद्माम्बराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुदां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीम्. The divine goddess is to be meditated. Meditate upon us seated on the lotus with petal eyes. She is golden hued and has lotus flowers in her hand. She dispels fear of the devotees who bow before her. She is the embodiment of peace. Knowledge is prized by gods and grants every kind of wealth wished for. Sakunkumavilepanamalikachumbi samanda hasite kshanam sasharachapapashankusham ashosha janamohini marunamalya bhushambaram Jabakushumapashuram Jabavidau Smaretambikam. I meditate on the mother whose eyes are smiling, who holds the arrow, bow, nose, and the good in her hand. She is glittering with red garlands and ornaments. She is painted with kunkuma on her forehead and is red and tender like the jaba flower. Om Shri Mata, she who is the auspicious mother, Shri Maharagni, she who is the empress of the universe, Shrimat Simhasaneshwari, she who is the queen of the most glorious throne, Chidakni Kunda Sambhuta, she who was born in the fire pit of pure consciousness, Devakarya Samudyata, she who is intent on fulfilling the wishes of the gods, Udyat Bhanu Sahasrabha, she who has the radiance of the 1,000 rising suns. Chadurbahu Samanvita, she who is four-armed. Ragaswarupa Pashadya, she who is holding the rope of love in her hand. Krodhankara Kushojwala, she who shines bearing the good of anger. Manorupekshu Kodanda, she who holds in her hand a sugarcane bow that represents the mind. Panjatanmatra Sayaka, she who holds the five subtle elements as arrows. Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala, she who immerses the entire universe in the red effulgence of her form. Champakashoga Punnaga Saugandhika Lasatkacha, she whose hair has been adorned with flowers like Champaka, Ashoka, Punnaga, and Saugandhika. Guruvinda Manishreni Kanatkotira Mandita, she who is resplendent with a crown adorned with rows of Guruvinda gems. Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja Daligasthala Shobita, she whose forehead shines like the crescent moon of the 8th night of the lunar half month. Mukachandra Kalangabha Murganabhi Visheshaka, she who wears a musk mark on her forehead which shines like the spot in the moon. Vadanasmara Mangalya Grihatorana Chillika, she whose eyebrows shines like the archways leading to the house of Kama, the god of love, which her face resembles. Vaktralakshmi Parivaha Chalanmeena Bhalochana, she whose eyes possesses the luster of the fish that move about in the stream of beauty flowing from her face. Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Dhanda Virajita, she who is resplendent with a nose that has the beauty of a newly blossoming champaka flower. Tara Ganti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Basura, she who shines with a nose ornament that excels the luster of a star. Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara, she who is captivating wearing bunches of Kadamba flowers as ear ornaments. Tadhanga Yugali Bhuta Tabanoduba Mandala, she who wears the sun and the moon as a pair of large earrings. Batmaraga Shiladarsha Paribhavi Kabola Bhuhu, she whose cheeks excel mirrors made of rubies in their beauty. Navavitruma Bimbashti Nyakkari Ratanachada, she whose lips excel freshly cut coral and bimpa fruit in their reflective splendor. Shuddha Vidyankuraakarat Vachapankti Tvayojwala, she who has radiant teeth which resemble the buds of pure knowledge. Karpura Viti Kamoda Samakarshit Tihandara, she who is enjoying a camphor laden betel roll, the fragrance of which is attracting people from all directions. Nijasallabha Madhurya Vinirbhajita Kachapi, she who excels even the Veena of Saraswati in the sweetness of her speech. Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa, she who submerges even the mind of Kameshwara, who is Lord Shiva, in the radiance of her smile. Anakalita Satrushya Chipukashri Virajita, she whose chin cannot be compared to anything, it is beyond comparison because of its unparalleled beauty. Kamesha Bhatta Mangalya Sutra Shobhita Gandhara, she whose neck is adorned with a marriage thread tied by Kamesha. Kanagangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita, she whose arms are beautifully adorned with golden armlets. Ratna Kraiveya Chintagalola Mukta Palanvita, she whose neck is resplendent with a gem-studded necklace with a locket made of pearl. Kameshwara Premaratna Manipradibha Nastani. She who gives her breast to Kameshwara in return for the gem of love he bestows on her. Nabhyalavalaromali latapala kuchadvayi. She whose breasts are the fruit on the creeper of the fine hairline that starts in the depth of her navel and spreads upwards. Lakshe Romalata Dharada Samunneya Madhyama. She who has a waist, the existence of which can only be inferred by the fact that the creeper of her hairline springs from it. Stanabharatalanmatyapattabandhavalitraya. She whose abdomen has the three folds which form a belt to support her waist from breaking under the weight of her breast. Aruna Vastra Bhasvat Katitati. She whose hips are adorned with a garment as red as the rising sun, which is dyed with the extract from kusumba, safflower blossoms. Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashanadama Bhushita. She who is adorned with a girdle which is decorated with many gem-studded bells. Kameshatnyada Saubhagya Martavoru Dvayanvita. The beauty and softness of whose thighs are known only to Kamesha, her husband. Manikya Mukutakara Janudvaya Virajita. She whose knees are like crown shaped from the precious red jewel Manikya, a kind of ruby. Indra Goba Parikshipta Smaratunabha Jangika. She whose skulls gleam like the jewel covered kuva of the god of love. Guda Gulpa. She whose ankles are hidden. Kurma Prishtu Jaishnu Prabhadanvita. She whose feet have arches that rival the back of a tortoise in smoothness and beauty. Nakati Didi Sanjanna Namanjana Tamoguna. She whose toenails give out such a radiance that all the darkness of ignorance is dispelled completely from those devotees who prostrate at her feet. Padatvaya Prabhajala Parakruta Saroruha. She whose feet defeat lotus flowers in radiance. Shinjana Mani Manjira Mandita Shri Padambuja. She whose auspicious lotus feet are adorned with gem-studded golden anklets that tinkle sweetly. Marali Mandagamana. She whose gait is as slow and gentle as that of a swan. Mahalavanya Shevadihi. She who is the treasure house of beauty. Sarvaruna. She who is entirely red in complexion. Anavadyangi. She whose body is worthy of worship.